Hi guys, in this video I will show how to download any ebook for free. So let's start our video. Open your browser and browse PDF drive. Then click on first. Then you will get this type of interface. Search whatever the book you want. For example, I want. Then you will see here you got a book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. If you want this book, click on here. Then you will get this type of interface. If you want to download the book, before downloading, here is the option to see a preview of the book. You can check the preview of the book. Then download. Here is the downloaded file. Then start reading. For more books I will show. And here is the books you can see. And one more book I will show. You can observe here the book. I hope the video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.